Today, we just experienced something truly amazing. We told the students that we were having an essay contest, and every student wrote about their big dreams. And we told them that the winners of that essay contest would win a prize. So they had no idea that the prize would be a bike. So those essays were read, the students came up and received their bikes. And the students in the audience were genuinely very happy for their classmates. And before you knew it, the news broke that every student was going to receive a bike. So this was made possible. The Los Angeles Chargers, Brady Hunter Foundation, Bikes for Kids. They made sure each student received a bike. We had great Charger legends in the house to read the essays and give the bikes. We had Terry Crews. We had Marcellus Wiley, who is a Compton native. So that was a big deal for the students to see him and see how his dreams have come true. And they know that they can work hard and make it happen as well.